this set, I had a real mermaid request some mermaid nails. She does events and actually has a real mermaid costume, so her tail was the inspo for this set. Hope you enjoy. So just make sure you've got all the gel polish painted, 2 coats of your color coat and then a base coat, and then just wipe it with IPA alcohol. This allows you to have any mistakes with gel polish you can wipe out. It's not going to destroy your polish layers. So just using a fine liner brush, come in and just do little circular motions, which is going to create your scales. Keep going all the way down the nail and you should see that's the effect that it should. So on this one here, we have just a white nail. You can either buff it or make it matte and cleanse. And I'm just doing a little bit of marbling, so you can get some aquarelle colours, or you can just use Sharpie pens and just do a little bit of a scribble with different colours, and just use a small brush and pat down with either IPA alcohol or acetone, and it gives a really nice marbly kind of watercolor effect. In this instance, I've got some colours in a little bottle. You can get any brand really, but they're just designed to give that marble effect with watercolours, so they're quite pigmented. You just pat that over the nail in lines, and then use your acetone or IPA and just gently dab it to kind of blend them in and make them kind of merge together. Try not to use too much IPA alcohol or acetone. It's going to flood your nail and take away your colour. Remember to just kind of get your brush, pat it out a little bit, and then just gently dab. Brushing a little bit of pigment just over the gel polish. Just gives a bit of a sheen, makes it a bit more mermaidy and sparkly. Just brush it on a tacky layer, brush off, and then you can just decorate that. In here I'm just getting some acrylic and just blending the acrylic powders just to make it encapsulated. I'll be doing future videos on how to encapsulate glitter, but for now I'm just giving you the technique on how I've done this set. So come in and put some gem glue just on any of the nails. You can get as creative as you want to. I've decided to put a few little pearls, some real shells on here, mixed with some Swarovski crystals. You can be as creative as you want to. It depends what your client's lifestyle is like and if they can handle chunky things on their nails. So scatter them around, and it just gives a really nice effect. After the encapsulation of the acrylic, I always go around and give the acrylic nails a file with the glitter. The other nails, you can just simply make sure you top coat those and give them a shiny sheen, and everything should come to life. So give it a try, guys. Let me know how you go. Any questions, please comment in the box below.